milyong pa-premyo. Wala pong nanalo last Wednesday at ang mega jackpot ngayong gabi ay 20,899,725 pesos and 81 centavos, net of the agent's prize commission. Sir, please press that button and let's play Mega Lotto 645. Mega Lotto fans, nakikita natin ngayon ang 45 draw balls numbered 1 to 45 na hinahalo ng draw machine. 6 lucky balls ang hintay nating piliin for the official Mega Million combination this Friday night. And the first number is 14. Ingatan po ang Lotto tickets, huwag babasahin o paplansyahin yan. Tandaan, kailangan mabasa ng validating machine ang detalye ng winning ticket sa pag-claim ng inyong premium. Our second number is 20. Exciting ang consolation prizes ng Mega Lotto. 30 pesos ang panalo pag nag-match ang 3 numbers ninyo sa mga mananalong numero. For our third number, we have 19. 1.1 million pesos naman ang paghati ang papremyo ng lahat na makakakuha ng 4 mega winning numbers. At para po manalo, pwedeng rumble ang mga numero. The fourth number is 31. Sa mga makakaswerte ng 5 winning numbers sa Mega Lotto, 1.2 million pesos ang paghatian nila equally. Mega Lotto is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. The fifth number is 2. Very easy lamang po maglaro ng Lotto. Magtanong lang ng game mechanics and schedule sa ating friendly Lotto tellers. Good luck, Lotto players! And our sixth and final number is 11. Muli po, ang ating Mega Lotto winning numbers ngayong gabi ay 14, 20, 19, 31, 2, and 11 in any order for the jackpot prize of 20,899,725 pesos and 81 centavos, net of the agent's prize commission. Ultra Lotto players, kapit lang at wag pong bibitiw dahil kayo na po ang susunod na may chance na manalo ng Ultra Milyong pa-premyo. Abangan yan sa pagbabalik ng PCSO Lottery Draw. Pilipinas, wala rin pong nanalo sa Ultra Lotto Draw last Tuesday. And tonight's jackpot prize has reached 153,993,280 pesos and 14 centavos, net of the agent's prize commission. Once again, sir, please press that button and let's play Ultra Lotto 658. Ultra Lotto fans, at this time, 58 draw balls numbered 1 to 58 ang hinahalo sa loob ng draw machine. And still, mag-isa lamang po itong pipili ng 6 winning numbers. The first number is 47. Sa jackpot-bearing games ng Lotto, paghatian equally ang jackpot prize kung dalawa o higit pa ang jackpot winners. The second number is 54. Dito sa Ultra Lotto 658, 100 pesos ang panalo pag nag-match ang 3 numbers ninyo sa ating winning combination. The third number is 26. Sa mga makakaswerte ng 4 winning numbers sa Ultra Lotto, 1.4 million pesos ang premyong paghatian ninyo. The fourth number is 10. Paghatian naman ng 1.5 million pesos na mga makakakuha ng 5 Ultra Lotto winning numbers. The fifth number is 5. Huwag pong magpapaloko sa mga nagpapanggap na PCSO officials, employees, or Lotto hosts at nagsasabing mabibigyan kayo ng tip ng mananalong numero sa Lotto. Scam po yan. And our sixth and final number is 36. Recapping tonight's Ultra Lotto winning numbers, we have 47, 54, 26, 10, 5, and 36 in any order for the jackpot prize of 153,993,280 pesos and 14 centavos, net of the agent's prize commission.
Pilipinas, digit panalo time na at sa unang digit game, 4 numbers ang bibida. Hindi bababa sa 10,000 pesos ang pwedeng umabot sa 100,000 pesos per 10 peso play ang instant panalo pag nakuha in exact order ang 4D Lotto winning combination. May system plays din dito gaya ng Roll 1, Roll 4 at Perm o Rumble. Magtanong lang sa friendly Lotto tellers kung paano ito laruin. At narito na ang 4D Lotto winning combination. Our first number is 7. Second number is 5. Third number is 6. Fourth number is 7. Ladies and gentlemen, our 4D Lotto winning combination for tonight is 7, 5, 6, and 7 in exact order. Tuloy-tuloy na tayo agad sa panalo ng tatlong numero. Tara na and let's play the 3D Lotto game. Digit game players, 4,500 pesos per 10 peso play ang premyo pag nag-match ang 3 numeros ninyo sa 3D Lotto winning combination in exact order. 750 pesos or 1,500 pesos naman ang pwedeng mapanalunan kung nag-Rambolito system play. Thrice daily ang 3D Lotto, that is every 2 p.m., 5 p.m., and 9 p.m. And here's our 3D Lotto winning combination. Our first number is 1. Second number is 2. Third number is 9. Muli po ang ating 3D Lotto winning numbers ngayong gabi ay 1, 2, and 9 in exact order. At para sa huling hatid na papremyo ngayong gabi, narito na ang paboritong digit game ng bayan. Let's now play the 2D Lotto game. '2D Lotto players, kayo ang may last chance to win tonight. Kailangan lang mag-match in exact order ang 2 numbers ninyo sa 2D Lotto winning combination para manalo ng 4,000 pesos at sa Rambolito system play, 2,000 pesos ang naghihintay na papremyo. Sa lahat ng Lotto winners, you have 1 year to claim your prizes. And there you have it, our 2D Lotto winning combination. Our first number is 29. Second number is 27. Recapping tonight's 2D Lotto winning numbers, we have 29 and 27 in exact order. Congratulations po sa lahat ng mga nanalo para